Hi, today let's install a 25K series inverter and connect the cables in 3 steps. Before we start, let's unpack and make sure the accessories are complete. First step, take out the wall mounting bracket and mark the 4 mounting holes. Second step, drill 4 holes. Let's use M6 expansion bolts. Third step, install the wall mounting bracket. Tighten the expansion bolts. Mount the inverter to the groove of the bracket and secure it with bolts. Now we have completed the installation. Next, follow me to connect the cables together. There are 3 ports at the bottom of the inverter: the DC port, the signal port, and the AC port. Connect the DC cable to the PV panel, the signal cable to the meter, and the AC cable to the distribution box. Pay attention before making cables or connecting cables. Ensure the DC switch is set to off. There are 4 steps to make a DC cable. Take the positive pole as an example. Strip, crimp, and connect the cables and then fasten it. Connect the positive and negative DC cables to the inverter, and the DC cable connection is done. First step, threading cables. Loosen the small locking cap in the waterproof rubber plug to the signal cable, and route the signal cable through the cable. Loosen the large locking cap and rubber plug and route the AC power cable through it. Second step, strip and crimp signal cables. The following uses an electric meter as an example to describe how to connect the signal cable. For other devices, refer to the pin description. Step 3, stripping and crimping AC power cables. Press the OT terminal in sequence, install the heat shrink tubing, install the signal cable and secure the shield layer of the signal cable. Installing AC power cables, secure the junction box and complete the cable connection. Finally, install the smart dongle. Insert the SIM card.
Before the installation, contact the carrier to prepare a standard 4G SIM card. The recommended traffic is 100 MB per month. If you hear a click, it's properly assembled.
Install it in the inverter and lock it with the buckle. Congratulations on installation of the inverter. Thank you for watching, and if you need more help, you can continue to pay attention to the Fusion Solar Service. Thanks, goodbye.